In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically link record templates to file upload fields in Zoho Creator. This process is straightforward and will only take about 5 minutes to complete. We'll start by getting into Zoho's ecosystem, which is a powerful tool for managing your business workflows. And I'll guide you through each step to make this as seamless as possible. First up, you'll need to navigate to Zoho's website. If you're not already familiar, Zoho offers a cloud-based software suite that caters to businesses seeking to enhance productivity and streamline operations. Once there, locate the Sign In button, usually situated at the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your credentials. This step ensures that you access your personalized Zoho environment. After you've signed in, you'll want to direct yourself to the Zoho home. This hub is essentially your starting point, where you can access various Zoho applications. From here, we're going to focus on Zoho Forms, as this is where the magic happens for our task today. Navigate to Zoho Forms by selecting the application from your available suite. This is where you'll manage and edit your forms. Once in Zoho Forms, find the form you wish to edit. This will be visible under My Forms. Click on Edit Form to begin customizing it to suit your needs. This edit mode is where you can modify existing fields, add new ones, or adjust the form's settings to ensure it fits the purpose you're aiming for. With your form in edit mode, look to the left panel. This panel contains all the resources and tools you need for form creation. Locate the File Upload field in this panel. It's among the variety of options you can add to your forms. Drag the File Upload field and drop it onto your form where you want it to appear. Adding this upload field is crucial, as it allows users to submit files directly through the form. This can range from images and PDFs to any other document types that are important for your records. It's this functionality that enables you to link record templates automatically, ensuring that every file uploaded corresponds seamlessly to a record you maintain in Zoho Creator. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked record templates to file upload fields, enhancing your data management and workflow automation in Zoho Creator. Be sure to save your form once you've made these changes and test it to ensure everything works as intended. Happy creating with Zoho, and I'll see you in the next tutorial for more ways to make the most of your digital tools.